Hi folks, today's project, it's a quick one. Earlier this spring things got really muddy and I've been meaning to make a little walkway, and so I had some stones from a previous stone job from long ago, and just the right amount of stones to lay down. So I just laid them in the mud and I thought I'd get back to them. So now it's spring and I'm gonna get them in place. Now, some people lay walkways and they go through a lot of trouble. They dig it all up and they add sand and 3 inches of sand and all this other stuff. I don't worry about that. I've put in lots of walkways, and I just put them right on top. I put dirt around them because you don't want the stone to settle below the grass line anyway. So you want them up a little bit, and you can always taper off around them. And I just get them level, and I pack the dirt in along the side, as you can see here, and then seed it with grass, and it comes in fine. In a couple years, you wouldn't know the difference between one way or the other. And this is certainly a fast approach. And I didn't have any sand, and I like to make things with what I got around. I had the stones, I got some dirt, and there you go. So, I didn't have any topsoil, screen topsoil, so I learned a little trick from my excavator neighbor. I just lay out the soil I have, and then I just rake it, get the stones out, the big ones roll right out, and then just rake down the smaller stones to the pile, and then just get rid of them. Seed it, it doesn't matter anyway, you have to have fine topsoil all the way. This is a little locust stump that I had that I turned upside down. Really loved the root pattern. Stuck a little bird feeder on the back. Basically, it was a lid to a Weber grill, and that way I can see it from right inside the house. Looks good. Birds like it. It worked out. I had hoped for the grass to have grown in more, and would have made a better shot here, but can't wait any longer. I'm going to lose this video if I store it somewhere. So there you have it. Where the hay is, eventually grass and weeds. Usually weeds grow in the shade here will grow up, but it's getting so shady now, it's going to take a long time for things to grow. Probably in a year, everything will be filled in. And that's it. That's the walkway, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make a walkway for yourself.